Everybody, and welcome back to Equestrian. Today is a very exciting day. What is it, Dad?
New van day.
We're going to get a new van.
I'm not texting driving.
It's a bigger one. It's black, and we'll show you once we get it home.
Dog 2.0.
Yeah. Pretty exciting. I thought I'd film it for you guys. I thought I'd just quickly explain why we're getting a new van, and also we're in my papa's car, because our van, I don't really know what happened. What happened?
It like blow up.
The head cracked, didn't
Yeah.
So I don't know what head is. I don't know. Yeah.
I don't really know. I guess it's the heat of the car. I don't really know. Can you guys spot rocket? Anyways, yeah, so we're in my papa's car because we had to borrow that. Because obviously Dad needs to work. So yeah, we get a new car for his work.
it? It's a new family car.
Yeah.
He's driving.
Yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much all.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys when we're there. I'm gonna do like a grand reveal of the van Yeah,
when
so it's
we
like
get
right,
home.
Right there. Like
Yeah,
right there.
it's right there.
So
I'll vlog
we
once
won't
we're in it, but I won't show you until we get home.
Yeah.
Obviously, you guys know it's a black van.
Yeah. So that's a little hint.
It's a lot different, a lot more different, and a lot more modern than
Yes.
the other black van. Sorry about the lighting.
Yeah.
We're just about to pick it up, and I'll catch up with you guys once we're in the car. And when we get home, I will video it and do a little grand reveal.
So guys, we'll see you when we're there.
Everyone, we're in the new van. You're getting a bit of a sneak peek right now, but you won't be able to see the outside.
We're in the backpack.
Yeah, it's very cool.
It's
It's actually really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're just about to drive home, and then I'll give you a little tour. And yeah, I'm super excited that this is the van. This is the new Impact Auto Glass van.
Yeah.
Super exciting. We'll just put it over your face.
Yeah.
The brand.
Yeah.
Ready? We're home.
Yeah. Look at it.
And we're now going to show you the van. Ready?
To see what it looks like.
I'll give you a little bit of a tour.
Yeah.
I don't really know what everything is. You know?
Yeah.
The outside. You've already seen the outside.
Yeah.
Let's go inside the van. We have beautiful leather seats.
Your back.
Rackers drink bottles.
There's a little bit of rubbish there as well.
We have this.
Beautiful. That's not focusing.
Beautiful. I really like this.
It's a little cool little drink
Holder.
holder, and then there's like phone holders as well there.
Yeah, it's very, very cool.
And there's like drink holders down there.
There's 21. Turn it back on. There's a. This is probably really close, guys. There's 21 cup holders and 10 seats.
And 10 seats.
I really like the silver handles.
Yes, the silver handles are beautiful. Are you ready to be amazed?
So this is a bit of a mess.
It's a bit of a mess because we've just
Anyway.
used it.
So if you come in, so we have the first 2 seats with rackets made crumbs everywhere.
Every
Uh,
single part. Yeah.
And then there's a TV behind me.
There's like a little TV that you push something and then it'll open. Anyway,
Well,
it's a bit close.
Yep.
Try and
And
get as
then-
far as way.
we have these seats.
These seats. So there,
There's
if
two
you count 1, 2, 3, 4,
There's 6 seats that
Yeah.
stay here.
5,
And
6.
there's a million gazillion cup holders.
And this opens into like another little storage underneath it.
Yeah.
Like a
Little storage area. Right, straight bottles there.
There's a little
And then if
hole
we come all the way back, I don't know how dark it is, but we have
That's not
2
two
and
there.
4 seats that fold out and come in here.
Yeah.
And there's another 4 seats at the back. And
So
they're all
it's
really
really
good and safe. Seatbelts.
Seat
And
belts,
there's cup holders.
cup holders in there and also down there. Around
Yeah.
there as well. So there's
Microphones.
yeah, and then there's like cup holders there as well.
There's literally millions of cup holders.
Yeah, and then there's here with my drink bottle as well. And then yeah.
That's pretty much the van. I'm going to now do a cool little thing. Also, the TV over there, not the TV, the screen thingy, my Bob has Bluetooth, which the old Doug didn't.
Yeah, so it's really cool. Hot TV.
I'm now going to do a few cool shots on the inside. So
Yeah,
I'll see you
let's go.
guys. Guys, that is the new van. Actually, I think I've done an outro. Maybe film one. Maybe. I don't know. Everybody, it's a lot later now. I have filmed the other one and I forgot to film an outro for the van. But do you guys like the new van? Let me know. I really, really do like it. And yeah, I'll see you again for another one very, very soon. Bye!